Good morning from Söderbysjön Nudist beach. It is 9:55 a.m. and early morning with some sunshine and no wind, but only 14 degrees Celsius in the air it is today, and I'm starting the day very early. This is probably the earliest that I have gotten for a beach adventure, and to get here it took me just around 8 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike, around 20 minutes ride, and this is the spontaneous nudist beach here at Söderbysjön. That there are sometimes nudists here chilling in the sun, especially when it is a lot warmer weather than today. But I can't complain, I'm catching up all the sunshine today, as later today it's gonna be lots of clouds and also rain is coming around lunchtime, so it's definitely going to be a perfect morning swim today. So yeah, like a week ago I was on the other side, which is another spontaneous nudist beach spot as well, and here let's check out the temperature in the super still water, as I'm showing you the beauty of the reflection from the lake, that it looks like a painting, a beautiful painting indeed. And everything is a lot better with sun, obviously. And let's see, oops, I almost fell. So yesterday I didn't swim for 30 minutes, but I did swim in the swimming pool as well, for sure. So let's see today if I will be able to do my morning swim here. Oh, the water has gone down. Look at that. Now it is 18.5 degrees Celsius, but let's round it up to 19 degrees, which is the coldest in the lakes that it have been so far this season. So yeah, this beauty of nature, Söderbysjön Lake and part of Nacka Nature Reserve, as I mentioned, spontaneous nudist beach spot, and beautiful reflection of the lake this morning. So let's get going and get into the swimming mode as I'm showing you the beauty of this marvelous place. And everything, as I mentioned, is better with sunshine. So let's then get into the lake while the wind and the rain comes later today, so we can successfully skip it. All right, here we have some rocks at the entrance, and now I'm making the vibrations in the lake. As you can see, it looks so stunning indeed. Beautiful. It's not as cold as the thermometer said, actually, because of the sunshine that is up now. And yeah, with that said, it's time to dive in. Wonderful. Wonderful. Amazing nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature here at Söderbysjön. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at that. Perfect. it's just wonderful to start of the day like this, especially when summer is now officially over, because it is only 14 degrees Celsius in the air right now and 19 in the lake, so it's quite inviting for sure to take a dive. And you know what? I'm going to swim today for at least 30 minutes, even though it's a bit chilly, but I'm gonna do it. And as I'm showing you the beauty of this natural nudist beach spot in Söderbysjön, it's time for me to wrap up this episode. So thank you so much for watching this episode, this morning episode. Now it is 10:00 exactly. So yeah, let the great Friday begin. Happy Friday, happy weekend everyone. And beach day number 98 it was today. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.